Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What is your name? My name is Park.
Where are you from? I'm from New York, USA. Where are you from? I'm from New York, USA. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on January 15. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have two siblings, an older brother and a younger sister. What do you do for a living? I work as a software engineer at a tech company. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. How do you get to work? I take the subway to work every day. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I enjoy reading books and going for hikes. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is sushi. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Destination. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy listening to rock and classical music. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like painting and playing the guitar. Where did you go to school? I went to the University of California, Berkeley. What did you study in college? I studied computer science. Are you learning any new skills? Yes, I am currently learning Spanish. Do you like reading? Yes, I love reading, especially science fiction novels. What do you think about climate change? I think climate change is a serious issue that needs immediate attention. Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I have traveled to several countries including Japan, Italy, and Brazil. What do you enjoy most about your job? I enjoy solving complex problems and working with a great team. What are your plans for the future? My plans for the future include advancing my career and traveling more. What do you like most about your job? I enjoy the challenges and opportunities for growth. Are you married? No, I am not married, but I am in a relationship. What do you look for in a friend? I look for honesty, loyalty, and a good sense of humor in a friend. Do you follow a healthy diet? Yes, I try to eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. How do you manage stress? I manage stress by practicing mindfulness, exercising, and spending time with loved ones. Do you get enough sleep? I try to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Breaking Bad. Do you enjoy going to the movies? Yes, I love watching movies on the big screen.
What is your favorite city you have visited? My favorite city is Tokyo because of its unique culture and amazing food. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak Spanish and a little